Now we're going to ask ourselves the question, why is the angle sum of a quadrilateral, so a quadrilateral is any four-sided shape, why is it always equal to 360 degrees? Now we saw in the previous video that any triangle, the angle sum of any triangle is 180 degrees. So if I was to draw, it doesn't really matter what type of triangle it is. So if you take these three angles, A, B, and C, we know that the angle sum of those will always be 180 degrees. Okay, and the proof of that is in the previous video. Now we're going to extend that understanding now to quadrilaterals. Okay, so to four-sided shapes. So why is it that any four-sided shape is the angle sum of that is 360 degrees? So if I was to draw any random four-sided shape, and it doesn't really matter what type of shape it is. So it could be any of the quadrilaterals that you've studied so far, or it could be any irregular quadrilateral that has no properties apart from the fact that it's got four sides. If you take any two opposite corners, okay, so you could pick either this corner or this corner, or this corner and this corner. If you were to draw a line sort of to divide the quadrilateral into two, well, not two halves, but into two triangles, what's the angle sum of each of these triangles? So the angle sum of the bottom triangle here is 180 degrees, and we saw that from the angle sum of a triangle. But the other triangle that's formed is also 180 degrees. So if you add those two together, okay, so big plus sign, you're going to get 360 degrees in total. Okay, so this holds true whatever quadrilateral you deal with. Okay, as long as it's got four sides, it can be divided up into two triangles. Each triangle will have an angle sum of 180 degrees, and double 180 degrees is 360 degrees.